to create webinars faster and easier? I'm going to show you how to use AI from start to finish. "42% of marketing teams say that time is their biggest problem, but AI can help. And you can keep your content real and human. So in this video, you'll learn how to plan and promote with AI, how to host with AI helping you, and also how to reuse your content and analyze results. First, research your audience. Go online, find articles, forum, and customer review. Copy them in ChatGPT or Mistral, whatever LLM you like. Ask simple questions one at a time. Who is your target audience? What are their top 5 problems? You get great ideas in just a minute. So now you understand what your audience care about. Time to use that. Next, create all the content based on what you learn. 84% of marketeers say that AI make their work faster. Use AI to write webinar title, landing page copy, email invitation, social media post. Here's the key. Add your audience research to every prompt. For example, if you find your audience struggle with not enough time, make sure your content talks about saving time. This is what makes AI content actually works. It speaks to a real problem your audience has. Create a plan, not a full script. Use AI to make an outline, get suggestions for time, generate poll questions. Need help on getting started? Actually, at Livestorm, we have free tools you can use right now. The title and outline generator create catchy webinar title and structure your content. The video script generator builds your complete webinar script. Just add your topic and these tools do the work for you. But just don't write everything word by word. Why? 98% of people choose brands that feels real. Your presenters need to sound human. Once everything is done, your content is ready, your presentation is ready, promote it everywhere. Take your main content, ask AI to changes for LinkedIn, Twitter, email, and Facebook. One piece becomes 10 versions. Use Canva to make image and video. Visual gets much more attention. Pro tip, create different versions and then test them. Use what works best. Oh, you're ready to host your webinar. But how do you host it with AI? Let AI help you behind the scenes. So here's why. 1. Microsoft Copilot creates your PowerPoint slide based on your outline. 2. Use chatbot like HelloBrain. While you present, AI writes answer to audience question in real time. Your moderator just edits and send them. 3. Tools like Lasco create custom visual that match your brain style. Also, make it easy for everyone to join. Invest in a platform like Livestorm that has AI feature. Livestorm gives you live caption during the webinar, live translation into multiple languages, but also live transcription during and after the webinar. This helps everyone follow along, no matter their language or hearing ability. Now people around the world can join and understand your content. How to use AI after your webinar? Here's the truth. People only stay for 24 minutes on average, so make your content work harder. Turn your webinars into many things. Platforms like Livestorm write everything down automatically. They change it into blog posts, follow-up emails, social media posts, and also training materials. One webinar can become 10 pieces of content. Create short videos. Use Descript or Vid to make clips. YouTube gets 5 to 10 minutes video, Instagram and TikTok get 30-second clips, LinkedIn gets expertise. Match the format to each platform. Learn from your data. Livestorm MCP connects your webinar data directly to Claude AI. This means you can ask questions in plain English like, which topics got the most engagement, who attends my webinar, what question did people ask more. Claude analyzes all your data and gives your answer instantly. Lastly, send personal follow-up. Split attendees into groups, who joined, who left early, who didn't show up. Use AI to write custom email for each group. Your email tools send them automatically. So that's how to use AI for webinar. Research and promote with AI. Let it help during the webinar, then reuse content and personalize follow-up. The key? Use AI for boring repeat tasks. Keep human, visible, and real. That's how you grow without losing quality. Livestorm does everything we talk about. It makes transcripts, translate in hundreds of languages, generate content, and give you analytics all in one place. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI marketing.